This was a Cold War being fought between America and the Soviet Union. On May the 25th, 1961, they made this promise during a public speech.
Before this decade is out, of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the Earth.
2, 1, 0, all engine running. Liftoff, we have a liftoff, 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Between 1970 and 1979, the third edition of the Great Soviet Encyclopedia was published, and for the first time it acknowledged the Apollo moon landing as a historical fact. It referred to it as the third major milestone of the space age. The first, as I mentioned earlier, was the launch of Sputnik in 1957, the second Yuri Gagarin's spaceflight in 1961, and the third mankind's first step on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission July 20th, 1969. Even the Soviet Union acknowledged that it happened. But then what about the flag? We know there's no air or wind on the moon. So why did the American flag appear to be waving? The answer lies in how the flag was designed. They knew there's no medium on the moon. So how would a flag stand out straight? Unlike a regular flag that only has a vertical pole, this one had a horizontal rod attached at the top so it could stay extended and visible. And here's an interesting twist: during the Apollo 11 mission, when they tried to fully extend that rod, it didn't open all the way. That's why you can see some wrinkles in the flag, which makes it look like it's waving. These ripples and folds give the illusion of movement. But notice closely, you only see the flag waving while the astronauts are planting it on the lunar surface. At that moment, the aluminum rods were acting a bit like springs, causing some temporary motion. But after that, you can see the flag stays completely still.